Looking for the best dash cam in 2026? Whether you need crystal clear 4K recording, complete 360-degree coverage, advanced night vision, or reliable parking surveillance, we've rounded up the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. In this video, we'll cover each dash cam's features, performance, pros, cons, and help you choose the right one to protect your vehicle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam. This premium dashcam features 360-degree all-around coverage with front, rear, and interior cameras, a responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, 24/7 parking monitoring, and even includes a 128 GB memory card in the box. The BOTSLAB stands out by providing complete vehicle coverage. Whether you're recording traffic accidents, monitoring passengers, or protecting your car while parked, its 4-camera system captures nearly every angle. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and voice commands allow hands-free operation while driving. Pros: complete 360-degree 4-camera coverage, large touchscreen display, built-in GPS, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, 24/7 parking monitoring, 128 GB memory card included. If you want the most complete protection for your vehicle, the BOTSLAB 4-channel dashcam is our top overall recommendation for 2026. Number 2. Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam. This advanced dashcam features 3-camera recording with front, rear, and interior coverage, Sony STARVIS 2 night vision sensors, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, PlatePix image enhancement technology, parking mode, and support for memory cards up to 1 TB. The Vantrue N4S is widely recognized for its outstanding video quality, especially at night. STARVIS 2 sensors capture bright, detailed footage even in low light conditions, making license plates and road signs easier to identify after dark. Pros: STARVIS 2 night vision sensors, 3-camera coverage, excellent nighttime performance, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, supports up to 1 TB storage, reliable parking mode. If nighttime recording is your priority, the Vantrue N4S delivers some of the best image quality available. Number 3. Pelsee S3 Ultra. This dual-channel dashcam records in true 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, features dual STARVIS 2 sensors, built-in GPS, ADAS driving assistance, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, HDR recording, color night vision, voice control, and includes both a 128 GB memory card and an OBD hardwire kit. Pros: true 4K front recording, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, color night vision, ADAS safety features, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS included, free 128 GB card, hardwire kit included. For drivers wanting premium image quality with intelligent safety features, the Pelsee S3 Ultra is an outstanding choice. Number 4. 70mm A810 Lite. It features 4K front recording, front and rear cameras, Wi-Fi 6, optional 4G LTE remote access, GPS tracking, HDR night vision, 24-hour parking monitoring, voice control, emergency recording, and loop recording. The A810 Lite offers an impressive combination of performance and connectivity. Optional LTE support allows remote vehicle monitoring, while HDR night vision helps maintain clear recordings in both bright sunlight and dark roads. Pros: 4K front recording, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, optional LTE remote access, HDR night vision, GPS tracking, voice control, excellent parking mode. If remote monitoring and smart connectivity are important, the 70mm A810 Lite is one of the best options available. Number 5. AZDOME M660 360-degree Dashcam. It features 4 adjustable cameras recording in 2K front and 1080p on 3 additional channels, built-in 128GB eMMC storage, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, infrared night vision, and complete 360-degree vehicle coverage. The AZDOME M660 is perfect for rideshare drivers and anyone wanting maximum interior and exterior recording coverage. The adjustable camera angles make it easy to customize viewing angles, while built-in storage eliminates the need to purchase a separate memory card. Pros: 4-camera recording, built-in 128GB storage, adjustable camera angles, infrared night vision, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, excellent rideshare coverage. If you want full interior and exterior recording without buying extra accessories, the AZDOME M660 is an excellent value. Those are our picks for the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. Best overall, BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam. Best night vision, Vantrue N4S. Best 4K video quality, Pelsee S3 Ultra. Best smart connectivity, 70mm A810 Lite. Best 360-degree coverage, AZDOME M660. Whether you're protecting yourself from accidents, recording road trips, monitoring your parked vehicle, or driving for rideshare services, one of these dashcams offers the features and reliability you need. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more automotive tech reviews, product recommendations, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.